Hello friends, in this video we will see the interface of Photoshop. On the topmost here we have menus. See, we have file menu, under we have new, open, close, save. What are these? We can create a new file, we can open an existing file, we can save a file like this. Then we have the edit menu where we have this cut, copy, paste option. Then we have fill, stroke. Then we have various transformations like this. Then we have the image for adjusting the image size, canvas size, for cropping your image like this. Then we have this layer for providing layer styles or creating new layer, duplicating layer like this. Then we have the type menu. This is for creating text inside your document. Okay, then you have select. It helps in selecting your layers or selecting a portion of your layer like this. Then we have the filter for providing effects or filters in your images. Then we have the 3D, which is a pretty advanced. Then we have the view menu where we have the screen mode. Then here we have show. We can select grid, guide like this. Okay, so this is the menu, and below this menu we have several options. This is known as option bar or option menu. You can also say properties menu, but generally it is known as option menu or option bar. Generally I say it both only. Sometimes I say it properties because it shows the properties of selected layer. On the left side we have various tools which we will be exploring in later section, but just for now you know that these are the tools. Okay, and here we have the foreground color, this is the background color, and on the right hand side we have several panels. These are for management purpose. Why I have told management purpose, slowly you will understand. And this blank space which you are seeing, yes, it is your working area. That's it for this video. I hope you have understand the interface of Photoshop. In our next video we'll be creating a new document inside Photoshop.